Hey curl friends, it's me, Naturally Sage. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a bantuknotcrown. I'm really excited because I have this day 4 hair, and right now, I know she doesn't look like much, but I'm in like the perfect state to be doing a style like this. So I've been searching on YouTube and on Instagram looking for some inspo, and I think this is it. I'm really excited to do this style, so let's get started. So I did 6 chunky twists with some TGIN leave-in, left that in overnight, took my hair down, and this is day 4 results of that situation. I always want to come on here and show you guys my actual hair, show you guys like what my hair actually looks like from a span of events, because that's real. That's the real shit. So this is really what I'm working with. You know, look at it. I just did my nails the other day. How cute. I have that blue color. You see that? I don't know why my hands look like, I've never shown anyone my nails like that, but I have that blue color on my toes. So let's get started. I got my handy dandy mister. First things first is just dampen the whole thing. Okay, so this is what's happening. Okay, so first thing that I'm gonna do is do my ear to ear part, and then I'm gonna section off the back, and we're gonna go ahead and get started on these Bantu knots. Styles like this require so much water that sometimes I just hop in the shower and get my hair wet like that. I won't put my whole head under the shower head, but what I'll do is just kind of like run my fingers through my hair over and over to get the water in there so I can part it easier and braid easier and do all this types of stuff. So okay, to keep my hair moisturized while I'm in this style, I'm gonna be using my Neo Curly Curls Poppin' Leave-In Cream. And I love this leave-in cream for these days when I'm doing like these refresh styles, because it's super light and the slip is on 10 with this cream, of course. The slip is on 10, so I'm going to just kind of rake it through my hair and make sure that, you know, for the most part that the tangles are taken care of, because when I go in and part for the rest of these Bantu knots, I want my hair to be nice and detangled so it's easy to part. The first part that you're gonna do, if you don't already have a middle part, is create a middle part. And then we're gonna go ahead and part from this center part right here and go diagonally back, okay? And then same thing on this side, right? Sounds easy. We can do this, okay? You can do this. Get in the mirror and focus. That's what I tell myself. So I hope that helps somebody, because I know you can do it, okay? Sometimes it just takes more than one try. Let's do this together. Come on, girl. You want this little ponytail to be as close to the middle of the section of hair that you have, okay? Now I'm just gonna go ahead and braid this up, and then I can get to parting the other sides. So the goal is to have kind of like triangle parts. So this one went back this way, and now I'm gonna come back diagonally this way. Let's see what that is hitting for. Yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing for this one and these two over here. So just make sure you're detangled, then go ahead and put it in a little hair tie, and then you'll go ahead and just braid it out. So I forgot to use edge control on my first one, but I'm gonna be using this Do Grow edge control from here on out to give me extra shine, extra hold, all that good stuff. I think I want to do one of those braids that like comes forward and hangs. So let's do that. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and finish this last pony on this side, and then these two on this side, and then we'll come back, okay? Okay. Okay. I'm excited. So we're gonna completely ignore the fact that these two are like different sizes. That is neither here nor there. But we're getting on to the fun part. I'm gonna take another one of these guys so I can start wrapping my braid like a Bantu knot. And if you can't see, I'm kind of trying to wrap, I'm trying to wrap the braid on the bottom of the knot so it starts getting volume up top too. So let's just get this all the way wrapped around. And there's our first one. Ooh, sexy. Feel like a black Cynthia. Y'all know who Cynthia is, right? Ooh, I love when the style starts coming together like this. Just little bitty bits.
That looks really good.
I know.
Fuck yeah.
I know. It keeps getting better too. I love it.
Hell yeah.
I love it. I feel like a bad bitch.
With your fine ass. Wait, you a bad bitch? Go bad bitch.
So the other reason why I'm liking this braid option is because tonight when I go to bed, I'm gonna go ahead and just take those little pieces down, and then I can rewrap them if I want tomorrow. Ooh, look at me. Yes. Yes. Yes, guys. Look at what we did. You can do it too. Okay. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. I'm Naturally Sage. Don't forget to subscribe and turn those notifications on.